Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this VICSEED magnetic phone mount. It's a magnetic phone holding system for our cars, SUVs and trucks with the strong magnet power. That means you does not have to clamp your smartphone anymore. And this is a good solution, I think. The iPhone mount is 360 degrees adjustable. It's for the air vent systems and it's MagSafe compatible. That means it fits so like it is for our iPhone 14 family, 13, 12 Pro Max, that plus mini, all MagSafe cases and more. Because the VICSEED added magnetic rings to it, you can transform every other phone or case into a compatible device. That's really easy, as you can see here. First step, you have to center this ring to the center of your smartphone backside, and then you attach the ring to it. After this, it's compatible with this magnetic phone holding system here. That's cool. And it's not only available in black, it's also available in white, as you like. This magnetic phone mount is the 2022 newest design phone magnet for cars. This magnetic car phone mount can hold our iPhone 14 family, 13, 12 Pro Max Mini, and other phones directly. This magnetic phone holder for our car, SUV and trucks also works with the original official MagSafe cases and other brands built-in MagSafe cases too. We does not need to use the additional magnet plates if we have a MagSafe system. Of course, if you does not have this, no problem for it, because there are magnetic plates included, so you can transform your smartphone to make it compatible. This magnetic car phone holder works for all phones and cases. In the box are 3 extra metal rings on this magnetic phone holder for the cars. Stick the metal ring on the phone or case easily. The super magnet power of the phone magnet holds our phone absolutely static and steadily, even on the bumpiest road or cobblestone streets. Surprisingly, the hollowed out ring design of this magnet cell phone holder won't block the wireless charging function. No prop for it. But in fact here, it's not a wireless charger anymore. Okay, this magnetic car phone mount here is a standalone version. You cannot reload your phone while you're driving. But this is good because then you does not have a wire connection to your lighter connection in your car, for example. Okay. The magnetic phone mount here comes with 12 wider RB magnets. This provides super strong suction power. This magnetic shield here even can hold 10 up to 12 smartphones steadily. The closed magnet field won't impact our phone signal at all time. With the magnetic cell phone car mount, we feel free to use the navigation or other functions normally and smoothly. And with a stable air vent car mount for this air vent clips. This has a sturdy structure with built-in metal components. The vent clip of the car phone holder mount won't break, of course, because it's real durable, designed and built up. The safety lock system of this MagSafe car mount will lock itself on the air vent 100% securely. It does not drop. The soft silicone on the air vent clip provides a stronger holding power and protects our air vent blade from scratching or deforming. Of course, you cannot use this set here on your, for example, round vents, because if you're a driver of a Smart 2, for example, or an Audi A3 Sportback, the vent blades are not horizontally. They are round. It's like a circle, and you cannot attach this clamp onto a circle. So take care if you have a car like this. This is not compatible. The VICSEED magnetic phone holder for our car is 360 degrees rotatable. With this phone car holding system, we can use the phone horizontally or vertically or in any other angle we like. This Airvan car cell phone holder is one-hand operation design. As you can see, I only performed the operation and the assembling and disassembling with only one hand, so it works really good. We just put the phone on the phone mount for a car before departing. We take the phone off the cell phone car mount when we arrive. We don't need to any extra fuzzy operations. That means we are totally free our hands and save plenty of time. If we use a case, we have to stick, in most of the time, we have to stick the metal ring to get strong magnet power, because often the shields or the covers are so big that it does not fit, okay? But check this out. You have a lot of solutions here what you can use. This car phone holder mounts has 12 built in 2 times bigger magnets, which provides 2 times stronger magnet holding thread. This device here can even hold more than 10 phones while in steady still. But of course, you will only dock one to it, okay? The VICSEED mobile phone holder for our cars adopts the extra long air vent clip, so the clip won't block our air conditions and wind. The phone mount car won't heat our phone like others do. We let our phone work smoothly and fast all the time. It works for our, of course, MagSafe devices like the iPhone 14 fam, 13 and 12, and the MagSafe cases without metal. But if you does not have this, no prop for it. It works with other phones and cases with the metal rings, which are included. You can see it's really easy and it looks awesome. It's an upgraded device. It won't break the air vent clip, of course, and it never drop again to the floor while you're driving. This is the VICSEED magnetic car phone mount. We make our lives simpler with VICSEED. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.